One of our brother from Aba, they say the guy don't shock China people as that guy go ahead and build the Chandelier light. Not be smart, you know. If you see light where this guy build, even the light self even get removed. Not even that. He said the massive order will come from this guy, as in our brothers from all over the world and calling him and buying from him. Say they want to patronize this particular young man that built this Chandelier light in Aba, made in Aba light. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If not today the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here to bring you update of things where they happen all over the world, everywhere, for Biafra land, for inside Nigeria, for other places. They here they bring you the Owenge news as they hot. Let's jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. They say one of our brother from Aba don't build Chandelier light. He have been doing so many type of Chandelier lights and people are buying. This guy are selling. Oh my God. They say our brothers all over the world are calling this guy, both hotels, to build this light for them. We are going to play the video for you to watch and see the miracle, the American wonder what this guy they do for inside Aba. This is happening in Aba. Let's watch the video together.
The business after why I get on. I'm not give you mic.
I did fun.
Follow me stand small. Follow me stand. I will talk. So what thing they happen?
You do it. I will do.
You do it.
You do it. So bad.
Like Igbos, you do it.
You do it. So bad.
It's so bad. So get it too. So bad. It's so bad. You know, get it like. People like say. Time no there again.
But time I did because they already book a book can't go.
On a book crew.
Can't go time I did.
That's it. They play the show.
And another day, you know, too much show was on. I had
is that? Get them. Hey, yeah, when the fat right, then I run a fat right. When I tell them I say Aba is a blessing to, but they argue me. Let me know now. Now inside our now inside the Aba be this. So time adding you know. So what are your challenges?
Way more challenges in now. Way more challenges now. Some just that the environment got my challenges, so I need to go out from this area now. Just chop the place you buy. So
wow. Within a space of 2 weeks.
In a space of 2 weeks. So.
Hey! You see him now. Is Aba not a blessed city? Let me know. So it's a blessed city, right?
It's a blessed.
So apart from the challenge of you have to establish as your office at the moment or the factory, but at least I can want a better turn up since that time, right?
Like we are great. A better turn up. Like since then to now, even people say more be all go for you know man na this environment you know
I bet get this one. Get this one. What be the name of this one?
Just give me a particular name, man. I'm not Chandelier. Then is only a remote control. Remote control.
Oh, a remote. Yeah. Please get me remote.
Let me bring the remote.
Hey, get remote.
Okay, this is the remote.
This is the remote.
You can off it here. Then the right one is off.
Oh, you know, America wonder.
Then the green one is on. This is pointer.
This is pointer.
Point it here.
Let's point it here.
From far, even from far, you can.
From far. Wait, so. On your line. Oh, so if I want to make it change color, uncle.
From here, you can change color permanent. You know, Then the color is younger.
All these things are the color. How do I change it?
Yes. Your rubber and red now.
Oh, rubber and red. Here again, no.
If you put it, show you put it another color.
Yeah. I bet man not verse for me. I'm not to modern facility. In blue,
White color. app, only change many colors.
So what is your na blink
Like flash. Blink
hey, as you watch this, you know like no talk through one way get so or what day get man. Abba is a blessing. So the men you to na believe the layer. This one won't please come show me other facilities as other things don't worry.
Apart from all these remote control, then this one's not any other thing. This one based on the remote.
Oh, based on remote.
Then this one now with a remote control. Where I stand up bulb, we put another rotating bulb up.
Okay.
Then if you don't want to use the remote, I want to change the remote. You want the remote. You want the remote. Then the standard bulb gonna. I want to chop on a standard bulb. Then you make you put a standard bulb. Just you remove the bulb.
Okay, as in to
you remove the bulb.
It.
You remove the bulb. Then the remote only. I want to chop on. I want your remote. You bulb. Then the rotating.
This remote on a walk one car.
Yeah, the remote gonna walk anyway throughout.
Anyway.
Anyway, I walk anyway throughout. Okay, let's just see this one now. Okay. The same remote, but and this one.
This one, the other blinking. On your one.
Then this particular one now. Like I can get the pointer, then I will.
Okay. Wow.
The pointer on the side.
Gone inside. Wow.
Like this one is off.
It's off.
Then off was only the permanent bulb.
Only the permanent bulb inside for this one.
Then this permanent bulb now, I wanna like all the one ETL na palodi where control switch. Then you the switch off by on, will change it to another color.
Okay.
Then you pay also why you change it to another color.
Okay.
Like something like this. Not this remote for me.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Like something like this. If you hold this one, then you're tear on.
Okay, show you that blue. Okay.
You know the blue.
Off am now.
When you wear, tear blue and the white.
Okay.
Then when you also wear green because now. What I see now when you are wear
to be changing colors. Hey, I see the one you see, no like Nka wonkai. When I tell you say Abba is a blessing, to me feel not whining. How come more to Diana here? Come tell us that your name again.
My name is GM.
Guys, GM, General Manager.
George Michael.
Oh, George Michael.
G stand for George.
Okay.
Stand for Michael.
I know from customers, so when people name order.
Like order can go that is go na time others. So umu 911 on you. Ani 911 over any lecture personalize the work. So many of them may book chala orders and some hotels say book chala orders linking here that is the work in a time others. So you are any the more or say well now you want a good place. Ya buy the more workers.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know this now. Waiting with the cry for and I waiting with the call. Say all these governors are beg. Governor Oti, you have been doing well and greater work in Aba. You see this young man, sir, please pick him up immediately and invest in him. Human resources, I think, is the best resources that sustain the Europeans. Pick this young man and invest on this young man so that he can learn more and learn how to do other LED light and other things, and including this one is doing, and be perfect and be useful for Aba people so that he also lift other people. So this is what we are crying for, and this is why we are talking even Biafra to come. But we cannot be waiting for Biafra to come while our talent are wasting. So whatever you know how to do best, bring it out. Our work is to show it out here free of charge for you. As this our brother have bring this video up, then we'll bring it up as well for our own followers to even see it and know what this is what our brother doing. So in case of you want to patronize this our brother, so I'm going to look for his Facebook this thing and place it in the comment section so that you can click it. If you want to patronize this guy, you can go there and patronize this guy. The guy is doing well. He's doing America wonder. He's trying for the work he's doing. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and share this video. This is a video you watch and you share the video. Every time it's not about gossip. Let's share and promote this guy. This guy needs to go more viral. Share the video. Thank you so much, guys.